Hello, hello. So, how you doing? Today we're going to be talking about one of the root causes of the aches and pains and maybe weight gains that you're having, and it's maybe something you're doing right now. Don't be alarmed, but you might be doing it right now. And if you are wondering what it is, I'm about to tell you because I don't want to leave you in suspense, but dun, 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 sitting. We all do it. We all do it probably way too much and probably way more than you realize. And so we're going to be talking about sitting today and what it may or may not be doing for you. And the bad news is it's not necessarily good things. Probably things you find yourself complaining about a fair amount, like the nagging pain in your neck or the headaches, or maybe the fact that your fingers go numb when you sit at the computer all day, or maybe your feet go to sleep, or maybe you feel stressed out, or maybe you're having a hard time sleeping, or maybe it's hard for you to focus, to stay on task, and your brain is just going bing bong, bing bong, bing bong all day long, or you feel like you're constantly on the energy roller coaster of life because dun 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 dun, you spend a lot of time sitting down. Let me know if you guys can relate to this. How you doing? How you doing? So I just popped this over into my awesome free community called Elevated and Empowered Entrepreneurs, and I'd love to have you connect with us in there if you're interested. And so today we are going to be talking about the modern day villain of sitting too much and how it causes the modern reality tale of sleeping booty and the 7 symptoms. Have you heard that story before? It might be one you're living right now. So let's get real talk. How many hours a day do you think you spend sitting down? And it's okay. No shame, no shame, no shame in the game. We're just learning, right? That's what this empowerment is all about. So say hi as you guys arrive. It's great to have you here. Today we're talking about something we all do and what it might be causing for you. So the reality is that we all spend a lot of time sitting down. It's kind of the nature of our modern world, right? And especially when you have a business that requires that you have an online presence or do any sort of bookkeeping or content writing or anything. Typically that means you spend a fair amount of time sitting down, working on your computer or your phone. And it might be causing some of the issues that you can feel. So let me know if you can relate to any of this. A pain in the neck, maybe a pain in your back, maybe your hands go numb, maybe you get headaches, maybe you feel like your lower back is aching, maybe your body's starting to shift a little bit, change a little bit, or maybe your feet go numb, or maybe you have a hard time sleeping, maybe you're feeling like a little bit flat emotionally lately. All of these symptoms are the 7 symptoms of sleeping booty. We'll talk about those in a second, but those are the ones that you can feel. And the reality is that sitting is now being called one of the most risky factors that we do frequently, right? So you've maybe heard this already. Sitting is the new smoking, and that means that it's a potential cause in a variety of health issues like high cholesterol, high blood sugar, weight gain around the midsection, sleeping problems, depression, anxiety. So there's a whole host of issues that come along with sitting so much. And so that's why I want to share with you today the modern reality tale of sleeping booty and the 7 symptoms. So let me know if you guys can relate to this. The modern day villain behind this tale is sitting too much. So have you noticed that when you sit for a long period of time, you stand up and you're like, "Ugh," and your body is just aching and sore, right? So let me know if you get the numb bum if you sit too much for long periods of time, or maybe for you it's you're distracted, it's hard for you to pay attention, you feel like you're ping-ponging all over the place with your attention. And so I'd love to know how you feel after you spend a lot of time sitting down. So a lot of people feel really sluggish or just feeling like wiped out. And it's funny because you're just sitting there, right? You'd think like, oh, I should feel more energized. Well, your body's not designed to sit. And you probably know that already because it feels like owie when you're sitting down. So let me know if you can relate. Say hi when you're arriving. I'd love to hear from you. Today we're talking about the modern reality tale of sleeping booty and the 7 symptoms. It might sound like a joke. It is. But It's not really. So the real, if you want to get technical, it's actually called gluteal amnesia. So that's why I call it sleeping booty, because amnesia is when we forget, we can't remember. So what happens is when you're parked upon your duff so long, it doesn't have to do anything. Your booty gets bored and it starts to get sleepy, right? It's not doing much, so it kind of drifts off into slumber. Hence the name sleeping booty or gluteal amnesia. So you're not working the muscles, so they get sleepy. And so they might start to change shape a little bit, or they might start to feel a little bit, numb or achy or painful in your lower back. And so that's really one of the things that we're going to be talking about today. So sleeping booty is not just a funny name for it. It's, more than aesthetic reasons why this is important for you to learn about, because it comes along with 7 symptoms, which you probably can relate to. So welcome everybody. Great to have you here. I see a couple people here live. So let me know in the comments if you can relate to any or all of these 7 symptoms of sleeping booty. So what do I mean by sleeping booty? Essentially, I mean the slouched over the computer posture, because you're in weak posture, not bad posture. Weaker posture. That's important for you to remember, that there's no judgment around any of this. All of this is to empower you with tools. So I call this, lovingly, I call it the ouchy slouchy posture. Technically, it's called forward head posture, but not as cute, right? So that means that we're sitting and we're slouched. So your spine goes into a C curve. So ideally, your spine is in an S curve. And that's when your spine is in that curve, that's when your muscles get to fire properly. But if you're sitting and you're slouching, then they don't have much to do, because you're like just kind of leaning over there. Hi, welcome everybody. So the more that you can move your body back into strong alignment, back into strong posture, the more you kick your muscles into action and you start to get rid of sleeping booty and the 7 symptoms. So first one of the 7 symptoms, let me know in the comments, and maybe you can drop it as we play along, slouchy. Do you notice that you or other people, if it's sometimes easier to observe in other people, when they're on their phone or their computer, they go into a rounded, slouched position. That's the C curve, right? So when we get slouchy in the game here, that's when we start to get the pain in your upper back or your neck, or maybe you get headaches or your hands go numb. So first we have slouchy. So with your muscles not in there, with your spine not in its strong alignment, then the muscles don't have to do what they would normally do, i.e. that's when sleeping booty starts to kick in. And so we come along with droopy. Okay, so we have slouchy leads to droopy. And then when your muscles start to get droopy because they're not working, they start to kind of, lose shape, change shape, and they don't feel as strong and they don't feel as toned. So when we start to do that, we start to get into that feeling of achy, because your joints are being taxed in a different way, because you're not in your strong alignment, you're in a weaker posture, and so it's putting a lot of different load on your joints, and your muscles are having to work way harder because they're not in their ideal position. So when they have to work harder, they get tighter and tighter and tighter, and so they get achy. They also bring along backup friend, which is tighty. So your muscles are getting restricted because you're holding one posture for most of the day. The ouchy slouchy posture, they get tight. Some of the muscles get really tight, and other ones get sleepy because they're inactive. They're not being used, right? And so your body is designed to move throughout the day. But if you're sitting in the ouchy slouchy sleeping booty posture, then we start to get tighty, we start to get achy, we start to get droopy. So these are all the 7 symptoms, right? So finally, when we have the muscles that are getting really tight, it can cause pinching off. Hi, Belinda, this is you? Okay, thank you. So if your muscles are so tight and you're in a weaker posture, then we can start to have what I like to call nummy. So have you ever experienced numbness in your hands or your fingers? Or maybe for you, it's in your feet. What's happening there is potentially, you're sitting in a weaker posture, the muscles are getting constricted, so it's leaning on the nerves and we start to have numbness. So you might feel it as a tingling or electric pain in your wrists or your hands, or you might feel numbness in the emotional sense. If you're feeling flat, if you're feeling just like, ho-hum when you're at the end of your day. So a lot of that has to do with your energy level, oxygen levels to your brain, keeping your hormones balanced, but it actually also has to do with your posture. Your posture is so powerful and it affects how you feel, right? Your body and your mind are very interconnected constantly. So if you're sitting in a slumped over, weaker posture, you start to send signals up to your brain like, I'm just exhausted, I've got nothing left. So when you start to change your posture, it changes how you feel, right? So that's important to remember, especially if you're starting to feel that kind of like nummy sort of feeling in your your emotional self. So also another one that has to do with your 7 symptoms is foggy. So when you're in that weak or slouch posture, it's harder for your body to breathe because you're not in that strong alignment, which, allows your diaphragm, which is your main breathing muscle, to move easily and freely. So you take short and shallow breaths. So that can cause you to breathe in a really kind of labored sort of pattern, so a shorter, shallow breathing pattern, which causes stress, but also actually reduces the level of oxygen throughout your entire body, specifically to your brain. So that can cause foggy. Okay, so that's another one. So we have slouchy, we have droopy, we have foggy, we have achy, we have tidy, we have nummy, and they all come together as cranky. Cranky. At the end of the day, if you're dealing with all of these 7 symptoms and the sleeping booty, then it can be really easy to just feel like blah, cranky at the end of the day, because your body is complaining a little bit because it doesn't like to sit for so long, and so it complains about it and then it starts to get cranky. Okay, so let me know if you have any comments or questions about any of these. So we're talking about sleeping booty and the 7 symptoms caused by the modern day villain of sitting too much. We all do it. It's okay. But what's most important is that you learn what to do to bring yourself back into strong alignment, to wake up your sleeping booty, to energize your body, to energize your muscles so you feel strong and flexible and fit, keeping your blood flowing throughout your body so you can keep your cholesterol levels down, you can keep your blood pressure down, so you can energize your brain to keep your hormones balanced. All of these things go hand in hand when you're keeping your body strong and healthy. But the reality is, if your work requires you to sit all day, it can be hard to do that, unless you have the tools that you need to wake up your sleeping booty and get rid of the 7 symptoms. So, good news is, I'm doing a free workshop tomorrow to help you to do that, to get rid of the nagging pain in your neck, to clear the fog in your head so that you can focus, you can stay productive, you can stay on point, so you can feel energized, so you can feel strong and confident in your body. So this is really powerful stuff. And it all lends to you being able to show up feeling good, right? And so if you're not dealing with achy and nummy and tidy and foggy and cranky and droopy and slouchy, all of the 7 symptoms, if you're not dealing with those because you know what to do to wake up your sleeping booty and get rid of the 7 symptoms, then you're going to be showing up on point, feeling good, off the energy roller coaster, really moving into your day feeling sassy, feeling good, feeling confident, walking tall, right? Get out of the ouchy slouchy posture. And so, your body, it's so important to keep it strong and healthy, right? So thank you, Kasif. So this is really key. So I'd love for you to join me tomorrow. I'm doing a free workshop. We're going to do a workout to help you sit, stand, and walk taller, so you can energize your body, wake up your sleeping booty, get back into strong alignment so you can, by engaging your core muscles, boosting your balance, firing up your muscles to clear the 7 symptoms so that you are feeling amazing and you can show up in your life and your business on point and being able to serve at the highest level, showing up as your elevated and empowered self rather than cranky, sleepy, foggy, nummy, painful, all of those things. So I'm going to drop the link in the comments below so that you can register for tomorrow's workshop. Totally free. It's happening at 2 p.m. Pacific and 5 p.m. Eastern. If you're not able to make it live, then you can go ahead and sign up, and I'll be sending out the replay after the fact. We will be doing a workout, probably about 25 minutes or so. It's multi-leveled, and so we'll be able to tailor it to suit your body and your needs so that you can take care of yourself and finish feeling incredible. So if you have any questions, let me know, and let me know in the comments what of the 7 symptoms you are dealing with, if you have any of those, or if you are just think it's hilarious and you want to learn more. Definitely save your spot for the workshop tomorrow, and I'll see you then. Have a great rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye.